highlighting businesses and services in the Ozarks. Welcome to Ozarks Professionals.
Thanks for joining me. I'm on the square in Ozark. I'm with Mr. David Appleby with Appleby Healy Law. Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
There's something you hear constantly, and it's the word trust. And we're talking about, a contract sort of thing. Explain what a trust is.
Sure. Well, you said something really important. I think people tend to make trusts much harder than they have to be. The truth is, a trust agreement is simply a trust contract. Okay? What makes it a little bit different from most contracts is that typically a contract is between, say, you and me,
right.
Whereas in a trust, for most people, they can be both parties to the trust. They can be both the settlor, the maker of the trust. They can also then be the trustee or the manager of the trust.
Explain what a trustee is, because I know that's another word you hear constantly with us.
Absolutely. And I think people sometimes have the misconception that maybe if they have a trust, they've got to have a bank or a trust company.
Right.
And there are many circumstances where that's important and necessary. On the other hand, for most people, again, I think they can probably be their own trustees. They can be their own managers. The nice thing about that is, Tom, they don't give up anything. Most people, say a married couple, would own everything together as husband and wife so that they would make joint decisions about their assets. When they transfer it to a joint trust, they'll still make joint decisions as the co-trustees. So they've really given up nothing in the way of control or the ability to manage. And then with the other advantages of avoiding probate and avoiding capital gains taxes and other advantages that may be in a trust, makes for a pretty good document.
It helps simplify things, but of course, if you want the real word, come talk to this man, David Appleby at Appleby Healy Law, right on the square in Ozark.
You can always see more Ozarks Professionals on ozarksfirst.com.